Coming up in part 2, Betty talks about the farm, I eat pheasant, and Welsh happens. We're going back 2 decades and spending a little time in Wales. I recommend you start with part 1 so that you're up to speed. This is Betty Davies and her husband John. They run this bed and breakfast. And she also divines for water. I will cover more water divining in a later episode. So, this is where I stayed for about a month. This is the Tavy Valley, near Lampeter in south central Wales.
My name is Betty Davies. I live on a farm outside Lampeter, which is called Bryncastell. And Bryncastell means castle on the hill in English. It's a 140-acre farm, and we keep sheep and 50 milking cows and calves and some fat cattle. And I have been married now for over 40 years. My husband came to Castell when he was 9, and that's been our livelihood all our lives really, is farming and doing as much as we can to help farming when it went to a very low patch. So keeping bed and breakfast has been an advantage and has been a big help to us. And of course my husband John, he's been very supportive and he's well trained by now.
Well, I just wanted to give you a little sampling of one of the evening meals. This is John, you know John, there's Betty over there. And take a look at that, folks. Doesn't that look delicious?
Beautiful pheasant.
And here's some gwingo that I'm drinking. And I'm going to leave you now because I have to eat. It's fun to see these signs in Welsh. Welsh. Oh yeah, the whole reason I came here was to learn a bit of Welsh. To dip my toe in the Celtic waters. It was a 3-week course, 6 days a week, but just half a day on Saturday. And we had a new instructor each week. Well, sadly, the program was a little thin and very slow-paced. For those interested in deeper study, this is not the program for you. But I did learn enough to know that Welsh would be super tough to master, but fun to play with.
Gesti digon?
Gesti digon?
Coffee.